this is Manisha. Welcome to my channel. Today I've come up with a cooking recipe, special chicken kebab. This is my own recipe. If you like it, try and let me know your opinion. So let's see how to prepare. I've taken exactly 15 pieces of chicken, bone and boneless. For that I'm adding 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and then 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and salt to taste. Ginger garlic paste. And then egg white. Mix it well. And then you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I don't want to use vinegar, so I'm using lemon juice here. And then curry leaves. And before you refrigerate, take a coconut oil in the pan. You can use some other oil as well, sunflower oil or olive oil. Let's fry the chicken now.
Have my control, love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting.
Frying both the sides. And one trip is done, I'll be adding the another set. Meanwhile, take 1 big onion, cut into small pieces. Ginger garlic, cut into small pieces, and 2 tomatoes. Grind it to a fine paste. Take out the excess oil that's in the pan because I'm using the same pan which was used for frying the chicken. So I've taken only a sufficient oil. Adding ginger garlic. Saute it well. Now add the onions. As usual, we need to saute it till it turns golden brown. I'm adding little salt here. Also turmeric powder. Just a little bit, not even 1/4 teaspoon. Even chili powder. Mix it well. Add the tomato puree. Till the raw smell of the tomato goes, you need to mix it. And you will see the oil getting separated from the pan. So till then you need to mix it well.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete.
Now add the fried chicken into the pan. Mix it, and then you can close the lid and cook for around 3 minutes. Sprinkle little pepper powder before you take out the pan from the stove. The special chicken kebab is ready. It's a simple recipe, I guess, right? All the simple usual ingredients that we use. The taste was very good. Everybody liked it, so I thought of sharing it with you too. If you like the recipe, please try, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye from Manisha.